Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Ainu token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you need to do in order to purchase this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind you guys that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel, showing you guys like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, I'd really recommend subscribing, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, all I have to do for this token is head over to our Trust Wallet first off. And I'm just going to let you guys know as well, I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallets or how to buy and purchase BNB or transfer BNB in this video. If you guys need to learn how to do that, I will have links for tutorials in the description as well as in the comment section down below. Now, all we have to do once we have our BNB in our smart chain wallets on our Trust Wallet, we can go ahead and add in the contract address for the token. So I'll have a CoinMarketCap link in the description as well as in the comment section for you guys to go ahead and click on so we can copy the contract address and put it into our Trust Wallets. So you just want to head over to the CoinMarketCap link I have, and then you just want to go down to where it says contracts and click on that little copy button I have circled with red. Once you guys click on that, it'll copy the address, and then we can go back over to Trust Wallet. Once we're back in Trust Wallet, we want to go to the top right of the screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Click on that, then just click on the search bar at the top and paste that contract address in the top. Then we can go ahead and enable the token and then click on done. Once we have the token in our Trust Wallet, we're actually able to go ahead and purchase it on PancakeSwap, so then it will arrive in our Trust Wallets. And to do that, I'll have a link over to PancakeSwap in the description as well. And then you can go ahead over to PancakeSwap. Once you're on PancakeSwap here, we want to go to the top left of our screens and click on the 3 lines. Once you click on the 3 lines, we just want to click on Trade to drop down the menu and then click on Exchange. Once we click on Exchange, we have to connect our wallets. And to do that, if you just go to the top right of your screen where you see the Connect button, click on that. And then instead of clicking on Trust Wallet here, we actually want to click on Wallet Connect and then click on Trust Wallet here as your preferred wallet. And then we just have to wait for this to connect. So let's give this a second. And once it pops up here, we can click on Connect. And then it just tells us to go back to our browser. So we can just head back over to our browser. And we'll know our wallet's connected when we see the wallet address up in the top right corner, as well as the balance of BNB right above the BNB logo there. Now, all we have to do is click on Select a Currency here, and we paste that same address that we got from CoinMarketCap into this section. Once that is done, we'll see the Ainu token pop up. So we just click on Import, I understand, and Import. Once that is done, we do have to change our slippage tolerance. And to do that, we just want to go beside where it says Exchange, where you see the 3 lines. Click on that. Then right here, we'll be able to change our slippage tolerance to 12% in order to purchase this token. Once we have that done there, we click on Done and then exit out of here. Now, all we have to do is decide how much BNB we want to transfer into the Ainu token. So we just go ahead and click on that and put in the amount. So let's just say if it was 0.2, I can type that in, and then it will show me how much of the Ainu token I'll get in exchange for my BNB. Now, if you guys are happy with that, you click on Swap at the bottom, right where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once you guys click on Swap, it'll show you a broken numbers of your transaction, showing you your rates and your withdrawal fees and things like that. Now, if you guys are comfortable with what you see there, you can click on Swap one more time. Once you click on Swap, we will then exit out of here, head back into our Trust Wallet, cancel out of this, and then the Ainu token will arrive in our wallets, usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to purchase this token. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.